Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and manage your bids all in one place. With the wrong system, managing bids can be a task on its own. We make it easy to see all of your bids in one place side by side. Easily create bid packages, send invites to bid, and award bids. Your vendors can easily indicate their intent to submit a bid. Once you've got your winning bid, instantly generate all your purchase orders or subcontracts, all with the click of a button. Make sure you get those bid requests out, manage them, and award them. No longer do you have to sort through email or faxes trying to compare bids to each other. We make it easy to see the submissions from each bidder side by side. But don't worry, we also make it easy for your subs and vendors to use. And no, they do not have to create a Contractor Foreman account to submit bids. See all your subs and vendor pricing in one easy-to-view screen, making it easy to compare one bid to another without wasting time bouncing between screens. See it all at once in one place so that you really know what you've got to work with. Once the winning bid has been selected and the job has been awarded, it's easy to turn those bids into purchase orders or subcontracts. Automatically generate these documents all without double data entry. With our online bidding feature, you can do super fast bidding for all of your subs. Some systems make your vendors create a profile before they can submit a bid. Vendors do not always like this. Our bid manager makes it easy for you to submit bid requests to your vendors who can then indicate their intent to bid and submit a bid without the requirement of creating an account. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and manage your bids all in one place.